Multiple murders, more than one crime scene, and an urgent manhunt. Something too many Canadians, sadly, have seen before, and it's especially familiar for Nova Scotians.
There are sort of eerie parallels in some ways to the Portapique tragedy that we experienced here.
This professor emeritus at Nova Scotia's Dalhousie University says he's struck by what's different, the response of Saskatchewan RCMP.
Much more what we were hoping for in Nova Scotia in terms of a major alert system, the blockading of various places, the cooperation between the local police and the RCMP, as well as the governments.
After receiving a call about a stabbing at 5:40 a.m. local time, Saskatchewan RCMP issued a dangerous persons alert to the James Smith Cree Nation at nearby communities at 7:12 a.m., followed by an updated alert at 7:57 that included pictures of the suspects. Another one at 8:20 to the entire province of Saskatchewan, and then a fourth alert province-wide at 9:45 a.m. indicating there were multiple victims in multiple locations. There was also a promise to use TV, radio, and cell phones if necessary to broadcast further alerts. By contrast, Nova Scotia RCMP underreported the Portapique massacre, limiting communications in the early hours to a tweet about an unspecified firearms complaint. They never did issue an emergency alert, something several mounties at the Mass Casualty Commission's public inquiry admit they never considered.
I'm betting it's just a case of none of us thought of it because none of us had seen it used in anything but a weather capacity.
Nova Scotia mounties did encounter additional obstacles, evidence suggesting the gunman might have died early on, and then the fact he was disguised as an officer driving a full replica of an RCMP car. By the time the killer was found, driving a victim's car and gunned down, he'd killed 22 people, including a pregnant woman and an RCMP constable. Chilling proof such manhunts can become even more dangerous before they're over. Ross Lord, Global News.